Welcome to this tutorial on creating custom photos in Bloxburg, a popular game on the Roblox platform. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of making your own custom photos to decorate your virtual home. To start, you need to have a computer or device with internet access and a Roblox account. Open the Roblox website and navigate to the Bloxburg game page. Click on the play button to launch the game. Once you are in the game, open the catalog by clicking on the catalog icon at the bottom of the screen. In the catalog, search for the custom photo item, which can be found in the decorations section. Purchase the custom photo item and add it to your inventory. Next, click on the custom photo item in your inventory to place it in your home. You can resize and rotate the photo frame to fit your desired location. Now, to upload your custom photo, click on the photo frame and select the Upload Image option. You will be redirected to the Roblox website, where you can upload your custom image. The image must be in PNG or JPEG format and meet the Roblox community guidelines. Once you have uploaded your image, click on the Submit button to apply the changes. The custom photo will now be displayed in your Bloxburg home. You can repeat the process to create multiple custom photos and decorate your home with your favorite images. Remember to always follow the Roblox community guidelines when uploading custom images to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for all players. By following these steps, you can create your own custom photos in Bloxburg and make your virtual home truly unique. Experiment with different images and decorations to create a space that reflects your personality and style. Happy decorating!